So in the today's topic will be a simplification. Okay. So this involves the whatever concept we have discussed so far, that those subject will be a basic for the simplification concept. So far we have studied the uh, concept of number system. Okay, and we have seen the HCF and LCM concept, and we have seen the square and cube values and roots of numbers, and we have seen the surds and indices. So here, no, in the simplification topic, involved all these type of questions. Okay, which may be a type of number, which may be LCF, LCM concept, and it may be a square values or roots and surds and indices, and also it involves some other type of questions also. We'll see that in the actually it is like a mix of all the type of uh, topics, and these are the 5 main topics, and including some other topics also it involves. So what I'll do, I'll try to solve few topics or a few different types today, which commonly asked in the under the simplification title. Okay, so in this I'll take a one set of problem. I'll take it as a type 1 problem. Okay, which all comes under the simplification topic. Okay, so for example, we have seen they last usually as such a addition type of questions. For example, uh, 4 4444 plus 444 plus 44 plus 4, and they'll ask what will be the value of if you add these numbers. Okay, so in this case, no, what usually we do, we use like we'll write a numbers like this: 4 4 4 4 and 4. We write like this one above the other, and we'll what we do, we edit these all numbers and we'll get a total number. But what happens while doing this, it takes the little time, and I think sometimes it takes more than 1 minute also. So our intention is to, we should not take more than a minute to solve any question. Okay, for that, no, what I'll do, I'll solve this problem in another way. Okay, instead of writing one above the above and editing those things, I'll take in another way. So what I'll do, I'll write separately 4 4s, and here 3 4 are there, here 2 4 are there, and here 4 are. So you just write down how many 4s are there. So here 4 4s are there. Okay, and here 3 4s are there, here 2 4 are there, here 1 4. Okay, just write how many total 4s are there in particular those sections. In the first 3 4 4, second 3 4s, and next 2 4, and last 1. Okay, then what you have to do, just multiply only with the last digit, only with the unit digit with these numbers, and you have to maintain the orders. First 4 3 2 1. I'll tell in which type of we have to go left to right, and when you have to go to the right to left. Now in this case, no, you have to move in this way from left to right. Okay, and you have to go in next one, higher digit to a lower digit, higher to a lower. So here your higher one is a 4 and lower one is a 1. What you have to do now here, just multiply 4 into 4. 4 into 4 is what? Okay, 4 into 4 is what? Just multiply 4 into 4, then you will get what? 16 you'll get. Okay, 4 into 4 is 16, so you'll get a 1 carry. That carry, what you do, add here, consider that carry next, and write here 6. Okay, first what you have to do, you'll get a 4 into 4, 16 you'll get, take a 6 and take 1 to next group. Then again 3 into 4 you have to do. 3 into 4 is what? 12. 12 plus that carry you have to add. Then how much you will get? 12 plus that carry you will get a 13. So write 3 here and write that carry to the next side. Then again 2 into 4 is what? 8. Okay, 2 into 4 is 8. And what is the carry behind that? There's a one carry is there. Add that carry. So you'll get a 9. So write that 9 here. And now no carry is there. So no need to forward the any carries. Now what is left now? 1 into 4. So here it is a 1 into 4. So your total answer is what now here? 4936. So how you have to do again? I'll just repeat. Just multiply this 4 into last digit. So 4 into 4 is 16. Write a 6 here and take a forward the carry to the next order. Then again 3 into 4 is 12. Add that one carry. So you'll get a 13. So write 3 here and carry to the next side. Then again 2 into 4 is 8 and take a carry 1. It will become a 9. Write 9. Here no carry is forwarded. Just multiply 1 into 4. So you'll get a 4936. So what you have to do here? It's a simple. Instead of writing one by one, just write how many 4s are there and follow the order from left to a right and highest to the lowest. Should not come from lowest to the highest. That you have to keep in mind. कैसे जाना है? Left से right जाना है और highest order से lowest तक जाना है. And multiply with the unit digit. 4 into 4, 3 into 4, 2 into 4 and 1 into 4. Add those all thing with the carry transferring. So you will get the answer 4936. Okay, understood? Or can I repeat? So second one is 5 5 5 5 plus 5 5 5 5 plus 5 5 triple 5 double 5 and single. Now you people try how to do this. So what you have to do? Just count the numbers of 5s. Either how many are there here? 5. And here 4 5s are there. Here 3 5s are there. Here 2 5 and here 1. So just multiply 5 into this last digit. 5 into last. 4 into last. 3 into last digit. This and this. Okay. So 5 into 5 is here I'll write 25. 2 is a carry. Okay. 2 will be the carry. Then again 4 into 5 is 20. Okay, 20 plus 2 will be a 22. Again here 2 will be carry. Then 5 into 3 is 15. 15 plus 2 will be 17. So 7 and here 1 will be carry. And 5 into 2 is 10. 10 plus 1 is 11. So 1 and here 1 will be carry. So here 1 into 5 is 5. So 5 plus 1 will be 6. So your answer will be 61725. 61725. This example 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 plus 3 3 plus 3 3 plus 3. Okay. So little slight change in previous type. Do how to do this? What is the change in difference? So here is a 4 is first and here 5 and here 3 and here 2 and here 1. But here wherever is the order, but you have to start from that place only. Abhi dekho 5 is in between. Okay, highest number is in between and just little lowest in the first place. Then 3 to 1. But you have to start from 5th place only. Okay, 5th place means 5 into 3, just multiply this. 5 into 3 is 15. Okay, 5 into 3 is 15. Carry will be goes where carry will be forwarded. It will go to the 4, not goes to the 3, because after 5 there's a 4 is there. If 4 is there, then only it goes to the 3. But here after 5 there's a 4 is there, so carry will come to this side. Okay, then unit digit is 5. Then 4 into 3 is 12. 12 plus 1 is 13. So here 3 and carry comes to here. Okay, then 3 into 3 is 9. 9 plus 1, 10. So carry goes to here. And 2 into 3 is 6. 6 plus 1, 7. And 1 into 3, 3. So this is your answer. Understood, no? Even though my 6 unit digit number will be in between somewhere, but start from that 6 unit and goes to next where is the 5 digit number, then goes to the carry goes to the 4 digit. So you have to maintain the always order like highest to the lowest. Maintain highest to lowest. There only carries goes, not like oh next पे है carry उधर next जाएगा. No, highest to the lowest. And here in this case your order is also from, you are moving from left to a right, always left to a right. Or if order either or either hai to no worries, but always if in all the in proper order it goes to left to a right, but always maintain highest order to a lowest order. And like 0.333 plus 0.333 plus 0.33 plus 0.3. So here this is changed from the previous question, because in the previous question there was no any decimal value. So here these are the decimal numbers, and here decimal number addition changes because all decimal values come under the same decimal value. So इसके नीचे a आएगा, इधर 0.33 आएगा, 0.33, so 0.3. So in this case, if the questions are like this, again do the same thing. Okay, so write down here. I'll just write down again the question. I'll just write down 3 3 and here 3. So again count how many 3s are there here. 4 3 are there here, 3 are there here, 2 3 and 1. Okay, now what you have to do, you have to change the order. In previous where you were coming from left to a right, now you have to means highest to a lowest you were coming, but now what you have to do, lowest to the highest you have to come, means you have to come from right to a left side. Okay, इधर क्या करना है, छोटे से आपका वैल्यू स्टार्ट करना है. प्रीवियसली हमने क्या किया था, बड़े वैल्यू से छोटे तक मूव हुए थे, अभी लोवेस्ट टू हाईएस्ट यू हैव टू कम. मींस व्हाट यू हैव टू डू, जस्ट मल्टीप्लाई. नाउ व्हाट यू हैव टू डू, जस्ट फॉर अ सेकंड remove all the decimal values. क्या करना है, just for a second remove all the decimal value, consider it that only digits are there, there is no decimal value. Like that you have to do the multiplication first, and at the end you will be considering the decimal value. So how you have to do, just as I said, just remove your in the mind only remove the decimal value. So only 3 is there, multiply that 3, 1 into 3, you will get a 3 into 1 will be 3. So I'll consider here 3 is a 1 value. Okay, no carry is forwarded. Now what you have to do next, 2 into 3 you do. Okay, 2 into 3, now you'll get a 6. So again no carry is forwarded, come to here. Now multiply again here, 3 into 3. So 3 into 3 is what, 9. Again no carry is generated, right, like that. Now 4 into 3. So 4 into 3 you'll get a 12. So right here 12. Right here 12. So now you got an answer as 12,963. Now how to keep a decimal value? So while keeping a decimal value, consider the highest number, means highest digit number. In among these all, कौन सा highest digit का number है? A ज्यादा digit का है, 0.333. कितना डिजिट के पहले इसको यूनिट दिया है, डॉट दिया है, डेसिमल दिया है, 4 यूनिट के पहले. सो कंसीडर दोस हियर आफ्टर बिफोर 4 डिजिट देयर इज अ डेसिमल पॉइंट. सो व्हाट यू हैव टू डू, बिफोर 4 डिजिट कीप अ डेसिमल पॉइंट. जस्ट सी इन द क्वेश्चन कौन सा डेसिमल वैल्यू के पास ज्यादा नंबर्स है. सो इट हैज अ 4 नंबर्स. सो जस्ट कीप अ डेसिमल वैल्यू in the 4 digit before. So we'll get our answer as 1.2963. 1.2963. Okay, 0.6666656 are there, and next 26 are there. Okay, next 36 are there, plus 46 are there, plus 16. Okay, so in this also पहले इधर लिख लो. I'll write again. 5 6 are there. Okay, here 2 6 are there, and here 3 6 are there, here 4 6 are there, and here 1 6. So same way what I said in the previous example, wherever is the value you have to maintain the order. 5 के बाद 4 को ही देखना है, 4 के बाद 3 को देखना है, 3 के बाद 2 एंड 2 के बाद 1. सो इधर भी कैसे करना है, 1 के बाद 2 को ही चेक करना है, वेयर इज द 2 digit value, एंड 2 के बाद 3 को देखना है, एंड कैरी आल्सो गोज. If carry is generated at the one place, that carry is forwarded to the 2 digit number, and carry is at the 2 digit number, it will forward it to 3 digit. Wherever is the number, वो कहाँ भी हो, second unit digit or third digit, you have to follow the order. So try this and tell me the answer. Okay, देखो. So here how many 6 are there? 5 6, and here 2, and here 3, and here 4, and here 1. As I said, for a decimal value, move from lowest order to the highest. So अभी मैं lowest से move होता हूँ. 1 into 6 कितना गया इधर, मेरा 6 आ गया. Then come to the second. Okay, then 2 into 6 12. So 12 means what? 2 comes here, and carry will be at here, third place पे carry जाएगा. Okay, then 3 into 6 will be 18. 18 plus 1 will be a 19. 19 means 9 here, and carry goes to the fourth place. And 4 into 6 is 24. 24 plus 1 is the carry, so 25. So carry goes to fifth place. Then 5 into 6 is 30. 30 plus 2 is 32. So here this is your answer. But where to keep a decimal value? Check. So this is the highest digit number. 1 2 3 4 5. 5 के digit पहले decimal रखा है. So keep here. Count 1 2 3 4 5. So here your answer 3.25926. Okay. So this way you have to do the decimal values. Just it's a 1 plus 1 by 2 है. इसके बाद 1 plus 1 by 3, 1 plus 1 by 4. So it just continues like a 1 plus 1 by 5, 1 plus 1 by 6, like that. And at the end, here it is a 1 by 1 plus 20. Sorry, 1 by 20. So this is a series up to a 20th now. Okay. So this is here, it's not an addition, it's a multiplication thing, and you have to find the answer. Okay. So here what we have to do is, suppose this type of question is here, and here keep in mind, here in between is plus sign. Okay, they have given a plus sign in between, plus plus plus, everywhere there's a plus is there. What you have to do, just add these with a normal thing. 1 plus 1 by 2 is what? 2 into 1 is 2, 2 plus 1 is 3. So here it's the 3 by 2. So this is 3 by 2 plus into, this is what? 4 by, this is 4 by 3, and here it is a 5 by 4, and if I multiply, just continues, last one will be what? 21 by 20. Okay, 21 by 20. And before this, what will be there? Before this, something will be there. Here it will come as a 20. Okay, here it will be comes as 20, and here that continuation number, maybe it is a 19. Okay, now what I'll do, I'll just cancel these all numbers. I'll just cancel this. Here what? 3 and 3 get cancels. 4 and 4 get cancelled, and 5, and here will be there 5. So that will get cancelled. And here 19 will be there here starting. So that also will get cancelled, and 20 also get cancelled. What numbers remains? Here the 2, and here the upper one 21. So what number remains now? 21 by 2. And what will be the answer of this? 10.5. So this is a simple. No any such tricks in this. Directly क्या करना? 2 plus 1, 3 by 2, 4 by 3, 5 by, like this you write, and just cancel each other. Just keep in mind, there's a last digit, lower last digit will be also, denominator भी cancel होता है, either numerator ऐसे रहता है because it is not continued, and either denominator रहता है, numerator cancel हुआ रहता है. Only 21 and 2 will same remain. Here 2 and here 21. So you'll get a 10.5. And here it is a what? Addition का हो गया. So here it was a addition. In between there was a addition. So same way the question comes like, one more question comes like with a minus sign. So I'll take a one more question with minus sign. 1 minus 1 by 3 into 1 plus 1 by, sorry, 1 minus 1 by 4 into 1 minus 1 by 5. So it just continues. Okay, it just continues, and last number will be what? Before that, 1 minus 1 by 99. Okay, and here 1 minus 1 by 100. So they'll ask what is the answer. Can you people try and tell me this question? In here, how to do? 3 into 3 minus 1. First one will be a 2 by 3 into here 3 by 4. Here it is 4 by 5. It will just continues, and last one will be a 98 by 99, and here it is a 99 by 100. So here what happens? Same way, here it is a little change. Here what we did, first digit ka denominator will be remain same, and last digit ka numerator will be same. Just consider last digit numerator by first digit denominator. So consider same here. It is a reverse one. So what here? So 3 will get cancelled, 4 will get cancelled, 5 like that here, and 99 and 98 also will get cancelled. So here it will be reverse. So first digit ka numerator divided by last digit denominator. Last digit denominator. It is a reverse here. So you'll get an answer as 1 by 50. So you will get here 1 by 50. Okay. Here 1 by 50. So what you have to do? In the addition symbol is a first denominator, last numerator. In the minus symbol is a first numerator and last denominator. Okay. In that way you can directly take, instead of cancelling all. Instead of cancelling all, first ka consider karo 3 by 2 and last ka 21 by 20. This and this will get cancelled, 21 by 2, and here first and last numerator and the denominator. Directly you can take in that way. Okay. This is 1 by 2 plus 1 by 6 plus 1 by 12 plus 1 by 20, 1 by 30, 1 by 42, 1 by 56, 1 by 72 plus 1 by 90 plus 1 by 100. Okay. So they are given us some set of numbers, that is 1 by 2, 1 by 6, 1 by 12, 1 by 20, 30, 42, 56, 72, 90 and 100. Okay. So what is the question? You have to add these all. Okay. In this question, no need to add all the things at a time. Just check the first thing. What is the numerator? Numerator isme kya hai? The upper part should be a 1. Numerator is what? 1. Numerator should be 1. So here numerator is 1. And what is the next? So what all the numbers are given, uska factors dekho. Just see the multiplication factors of all the denominator values, and whatever factor you are getting, there should be a difference in those factor. The difference should be a 1. Okay, for example, if you take 6 as the number, 6 का दो factor find out करो. The two factors of 6 will be I can take 3 and 2, and difference between these two will be a what? 1. And if I take a 12, so 12 के factors 4 into 3, so difference between these two will be 1. So in this way, find out all the factors. Okay, find out all the factors. Me just check सबका factors एक है क्या दो है. Okay, एक है क्या दो है. So if all the factors are 1 and numerator are 1, and your addition will be very simple. So what I'll do now, numerator is 1, and if I check all the value of factors, so it is a 2 1, it is a 3 2, and it is a 4 3, and it is a 5 4, it is a 6 3 6 5, it is a 7 6, and it is a 8 7, it is 9 8, and this is a 10 9, and this is last one, sorry, this is not 100, this is a 110. So this one will be a 10 11 10. Okay, 11 10. Now, so if I check all the factors and their difference is 1, so my answer will be, my answer is what? How many numbers are given? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. How many numbers are there? Total 10 numbers are there. Then what are the difference in their factors? 1. So 10 divided by 10 plus 1. 10 divided by 10 plus 1. So your answer will be what? Total answer will be a 10 by 11. Your total answer will be what? 10 by 11. Okay. Here 1 by 9 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 6, 1 by 12, 1 by 20, 1 by 30, 1 by 42, 1 by 56, plus 1 by 72. Same as similar one, little change in the question. Just give me the answer of this. In this question, just leave this 1 by 9. 1 by 9 ऐसे ही रख दो. Okay, consider these rest all numbers. Consider these all rest numbers. So apply that previous method. How many ones are there? How many values are there? 8 values are there. So take it as a 8. And if you take a factors and their difference, that is also 1. So how many numbers? 8, and their factors difference is 1. So your answer will be 1 by 9 plus 8 by 9. So you'll get an answer as 9 by 9, and answer will be 1. Answer will be 1. So here, solve this value, that is 1 by 2 plus 1 divided by, again, 1 plus 1 by 8. 1 by 2 plus 1, again 1 by 1 plus 1 by 8. Okay, so consider this last number 1 by 8. Okay, क्या दिया है? 1 by 8 is given. So 1 by 8 is given. Just write here 1 by 8. क्या करो? Just write here. First write this one numerator value, then side write denominator value. Okay, first write numerator value, then write a denominator value. Then what you have to do after this, just check how many steps are there in the question. So here 1 by 8, here 1 is added, this is the first step. Again upper one, again here 2 is added. How many steps are there here? 2 remaining further steps are there. So just write 2 steps. Here how many steps are remaining? 2 steps are remaining. Okay. Now what number is added to 1 by 8? 1 by 8 को कौन सा नंबर ऐड किया है? प्लस 1 को ऐड किया है. So write here just plus 1 plus 1. Okay, and here whatever number comes उसको कितना add किया है 2. So here just write plus 2. Okay, so here how many number is there in front of this? 1. So plus 1. Here 2. So plus 2. Now what you have to do? Add this one, previous one with the first one. तो पहले से दूसरे के साथ add करो. 8 plus 1. First multiply this. 8 into 1. How many number is there in front? 1. So multiply this. 8 into 1. You'll get a 8. Then add this 8 with the 1. So you'll get here what? 9. You'll get a 9. So write here 9. If you get double digit, write a double digit. No worries. Okay. Now what you got? 9. Now what is there here? Before that plus 2. So multiply that. 9 into 2. You'll get a 18. 18 is there. Now what you have to do? This 18 add with the previous value. So what was the previous value? 8. So 18 plus 8, you'll get what? 26. So here your answer will be what? 26. And don't go further because it involves only 2 steps. Then what you have to do? What will be your answer? The last digit will come as a denominator, and before that last digit will come as a numerator. Before that will come as a numerator. So your answer will be 9/26. One more example. 1 by okay, 2 plus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 4. Okay, so here also this is same as previous. इधर भी कितने steps है? 1 and 2. So first what you have to do? Just write 1. Consider this one. 1, 4. Then 4 के सामने कितना add हो रहा है? 3 is adding. So plus 3. Then how many steps are here? 1 and 2 are remaining steps. So 2 dots. Okay. Now what you have to do? Multiply this. 4 into 3 is what? 12. Okay. 4 into 3 is what? 12. Add this 12 with the previous number. So you'll get a 13. So you'll get a 13. So write here 13. And here, इधर क्या है? 13 के पहले this number is with the plus 2. Now what you have to multiply 13 into 2 is a 26. Okay. Now that 26 will be added with the. Now here, don't take third. Previous number was what? 13. Here is a 4 only there. Multiply 13 into 2, you'll get a 26. 26 को previous number 13 को add नहीं करना है. What was the previous number? 4. So 13 plus 26 plus 4 will be 30. So you'll get an answer as 30. So this is a numerator and this is a denominator. So 13 by 30 is your answer. 13 by 30 is your answer. So question is what now? This one. 1 by 3 plus 1 by 1 plus 2 by 1 plus 1 by 3. Okay, try and give me the answer. So what? How we have to take? 1 by 3 is there. Take 1 by 3 and 1 by 3 के पहले कितना है? Plus 2. So here that is a plus 2. Now we'll start. And here it is a just right here. Plus 1 is there here. Okay, and here plus 3 is there. Okay, plus 2 plus 1 plus 3. Last step there is nothing is there. Okay, so now 3 into 2 is what? 6. 6 plus 1 is 7. Okay, 3 into 2 is 6 and 6 plus 1 is 7. Okay, now 7 plus 1 is 7 only, and 7 plus 3. 7 into 1 is 7 and 7 plus 3 is 10. So here you will get a 10. Now 10 into 3 is what? 13. 13 plus 7. 13 plus 7 is what? 20. So here you will get a
10 into 3, 30.
Sorry, this one, no, okay. 10 into 3 is 30. Then 30 plus previous one is 7. So 37. So here you will get a 37. So your answer is 37 by, sorry, 10 by 37. 10 by 37. Yes. 1 by 3. इधर लिखो 1 by 1,3. 3 के सामने क्या है? 2 है. So that is plus 2. Then how many answer has to come? 1, 2, 3. Remaining 3 steps, 3 dots. Then इधर 3 dots में पहले क्या करना था? इधर क्या है? Plus 1 is added. Plus 1. Next, plus 3 is added. Now, 3 into 2 is what? 6. Okay. 6 plus 7. 6 plus 7. 6 plus 1, 7. So you'll get here 7. Then multiply this. 7 into 1. 7 into 1 is 7. 7 plus a previous का add करो. 7 plus 3, 10 आएगा. Okay. So you'll write here 10. Now 10 into 3. 10 into 3 you'll get a 30. 30 plus this previous one 7. 30 plus 7. 37 आएगा. So here you'll get a 37. Then take this as a numerator and this as a denominator. So you'll get an answer as 10 by 37. Okay. So like this here 1 by 1 plus 1 by 1 plus 1 by 1 plus 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 plus 2 by 3. So give me the value of this. 1 by 1 by 1 plus 1 by 1 plus 1 by 1 plus 1 by 2. How many ones are there? Added ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, and these 2 by 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 dots will come. Okay. So how you have to do? 2 plus 3 plus 2. 3 plus 2 क्या आएगा? 5. Then 5 plus 3, 8. Okay. 5 plus 3 is a 8. Then 8 plus 5, 13. 13 plus 8, 21. 21 plus 13, 34. So this 2 will be the answer. 21 by 34. 21 by 34 is your answer. Okay. So
Sir, वो
yes.
numerator में 1
Try this question. 4 ones and 1 by 3. We were adding the numbers. X से previous number को we were adding 1 with the before one. So if it is in the minus case, 1 minus 1 minus 1 by 1 minus 1 by 1 minus 1 by 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So how to do here? So same way, what you have to do? Take a 1 by 4 and how many dots? 1, 2, 3, 4 dots should be there. 1, 2, 3, 4 and all are 1 only. No need to multiply also. All are 1 only. Okay. So here what we were doing? We were adding 4 plus 1 like that we were adding in the previous, but here what you have to do? 4 minus 1 you have to do. 4 minus 1 you'll get a 3. So the next number comes 3. Okay. Next one what? 3 minus 4 you have to do. The next one will be 3 minus 4. So we'll get here minus 1 as an answer. So keep that minus 1 only here. Now what comes next? Minus 1 and already what? Okay, minus 1 and minus 3 you have to do. So what you will get here? Minus 1 and minus 3, you'll get here minus 4. So you'll get here minus 4. Then what you have to do next? Minus 4 minus of minus 1 you have to do. So here minus 4 minus of minus 1. So here minus of minus is plus only. Okay, so what you'll get here? Minus 4 plus 1 you'll get. So you'll get answer as 3. So you will get a 3. How much? What 3 you'll get? Minus 3 you'll get, because highest digit contain a minus. So your answer will be last one will be minus 3. Then what you have to do? You have to keep as minus 4 by minus 3. Then minus minus will get cancelled. So your answer will be what? 4 by 3. So your answer will be a 4 by 3. Okay.